Welcome back to my channel. Are you struggling with a lack of communication in your relationship? Effective communication is the cornerstone of a healthy and fulfilling partnership, allowing you and your partner to understand each other, resolve conflicts, and deepen your connection. However, it's not uncommon for couples to face challenges in maintaining open lines of communication. If you find yourself in a situation where communication has become strained or limited, this video is here to help. We will explore practical strategies and valuable insights to overcome communication barriers and find your voice in the relationship. Join us as we embark on a journey of healing, understanding, and building a stronger bond through improved communication skills. Prioritize active listening. Give your full attention to your partner when they are speaking, without interrupting or formulating responses in your mind. Show genuine interest and empathy to foster a safe space for open communication. Practice active listening by maintaining eye contact, nodding to indicate understanding, and asking clarifying questions to ensure you fully grasp their perspective. Avoid distractions and set aside dedicated time for meaningful conversations where you can give each other undivided attention. Remember, active listening is not just about hearing the words but also understanding the emotions, needs, and underlying message being conveyed by your partner. Practice effective nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication plays a significant role in how messages are conveyed and received in a relationship. Pay attention to your body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice when communicating with your partner. Be mindful of the signals you are sending and ensure they align with the message you want to convey. Maintain eye contact to show attentiveness and interest, use gestures to emphasize key points, and adopt a calm and receptive posture. Remember that nonverbal cues can often speak louder than words, so strive for clarity, consistency, and authenticity in your nonverbal communication to enhance understanding and connection with your partner. Foster an atmosphere of trust. Trust is the foundation of effective communication in a relationship. Create a safe and trusting environment where both partners feel comfortable expressing themselves without fear of judgment or criticism. Be reliable and consistent in your words and actions, follow through on commitments, and be honest and transparent. Avoid defensive or aggressive behavior and instead, practice active listening and empathy. Show genuine interest and concern for your partner's thoughts and feelings. When trust is established, it becomes easier to engage in open and honest communication, knowing that your words will be received with understanding and support. Use I statements. When discussing sensitive or challenging topics, it's important to use I statements instead of you statements. I statements focus on expressing your own thoughts, feelings, and experiences, rather than placing blame or criticizing your partner. This approach fosters a non-confrontational and respectful conversation. For example, instead of saying, "You never listen to me," you can rephrase it as, "I feel unheard when I don't feel listened to." By taking ownership of your emotions and expressing them in a non-accusatory way, you create an environment that encourages open dialogue and understanding between you and your partner. Be mindful of timing. Choosing the right timing for communication is crucial in addressing the lack of communication in your relationship. Avoid bringing up important or sensitive topics when either you or your partner are stressed, tired, or preoccupied. Instead, find a time when you can both be fully present and focused on the conversation. Creating an atmosphere of calm and receptiveness allows for more effective communication and increases the chances of a productive discussion. By being mindful of timing, you give yourselves the opportunity to engage in meaningful conversations without distractions or emotional barriers. Practice empathy and understanding. Cultivating empathy and understanding is essential in dealing with a lack of communication in your relationship. Make a conscious effort to put yourself in your partner's shoes and try to understand their perspective, emotions, and experiences. Validate their feelings and show empathy, even if you may not agree with them. By showing genuine empathy, you create a safe and supportive space for open communication. This encourages your partner to express themselves honestly and fosters a deeper level of understanding between you both. Remember that empathy is a powerful tool in bridging the communication gap and strengthening the connection in your relationship. Seek clarity and ask questions. When faced with a lack of communication, it's important to seek clarity and ask questions to better understand your partner's thoughts and feelings. Instead of making assumptions or jumping to conclusions, take the time to ask for clarification. Encourage open dialogue by posing thoughtful and non-judgmental questions that invite your partner to share more information. Be genuinely curious and receptive to their responses. By seeking clarity and asking questions, you demonstrate a genuine interest in understanding your partner's perspective and create an environment that promotes open and meaningful communication. This approach fosters a deeper connection and helps to resolve misunderstandings or miscommunications that may have occurred. Practice conflict resolution. Conflict is a natural part of any relationship, but it's how we handle it that matters. When faced with communication challenges, it's crucial to practice effective conflict resolution. Focus on finding common ground, rather than trying to prove yourself right or win arguments. Listen actively to your partner's perspective, validate their feelings, and express your own thoughts and emotions respectfully. Look for compromises and solutions that address both partners' needs and concerns. Avoid personal attacks or defensiveness, and instead, maintain a calm and constructive approach. By practicing healthy conflict resolution, you create a safe space for open communication and strengthen the bond between you and your partner. Seek professional help if needed. Despite your best efforts, there may be instances where communication challenges persist or become overwhelming. In such cases, seeking professional help can be a valuable step towards improving your relationship. A couples therapist or relationship counselor can provide objective guidance, facilitate productive conversations, and offer effective communication strategies tailored to your specific needs. They can help you uncover underlying issues, learn new communication techniques, and navigate through challenging dynamics. Seeking professional help demonstrates a commitment to the relationship and a willingness to invest in its growth. There is no shame in seeking support, and it can lead to profound breakthroughs in your communication and overall relationship satisfaction. Remember, improving communication in a relationship takes time, effort, and a willingness from both partners to actively engage. With patience and commitment, you can foster a deeper connection and create a communication style that strengthens your bond. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.